Comet Browser promises AI convenience, but under the hood it can send your web activity to external servers. Search queries, browsing history, page content, and even form entries can be collected for AI processing. Third-party trackers and AI endpoints can link identifiers to build persistent profiles about you. That creates targeted ads, potential data leaks, and real risk if an AI server is breached. Default permissions often favor sharing. The AI assistant and sync settings are the usual culprits. But you can lock this down quickly. Next, I'll show step-by-step fixes inside Comet. First, open Settings, then Privacy and AI. Turn off data sharing with external AI servers. Second, set history to clear on exit and disable saving page content for AI learning. Third, enable strict tracking protection and block third-party cookies and trackers by default. Fourth, switch to local or on-device AI models or disable cloud assistance when possible. Fifth, review site permissions and remove or update extensions that request microphone or file access. Run Comet's privacy check, keep the browser updated, and enjoy AI features without handing over your data.